Did you know your stomach replaces itself every few days? That's right. The lining of your stomach is constantly being renewed. Why? Because the strong acid inside your belly is so powerful. It could actually digest your own stomach if it didn't grow a fresh lining. So every 3 to 4 days, it's like your stomach gets a brand new protective coat. Pretty amazing, right? Your body is literally rebuilding itself just to keep you safe. Mind blown? Then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome facts.